Hello and welcome my tutorial. Today we will discuss merge sort. Merge sort is a sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique. So we will divide the array into the smaller parts till single element, and after that we will conquer on the based on sorted manner. With case time complexity is order of n log n. It is one of the best or respected algorithm because it takes very less time for sorting. Must sort first divide the array into the equal halves and then combine them to the sorted manner. That is called conquer technique. Let's see the example. We have a array which is unsorted. So we will sort using merge sort. So here we have 8 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So index start from 0 to 7. So we will find the mid element. So 0 plus 7. Last index of array is 7. Initial index of 0. So 0 plus 7 divided by 2. We will get mid 3.5. But 3.5 is not implementable. So we will take the ceiling value, means next integer. So next integer is 4. So we will divide the array in two equal parts: 0 to 4, 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3, or index यहाँ पर 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will divide the two equal parts. Again we will divide this subarray into the two equal parts. So here index 0, 1, 2 and 3. So they will find the midpoint. 0 plus 3 divided by 2. So we will get midpoint is 1.5. So again we will take ceiling value which is 2. So we will divide the index of 2 in two equal parts. Here again same process apply करेंगे यहाँ पर भी. Index 0 to 3 divided by 2, 0 plus 3 divided by 2, 1.5. We will take ceiling value which is 2. So we will divide two equal parts: 90, 27 and 72 and 18. Again we will divide the arrays 0, index and index 1. So 0 plus 1, 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5, but this is not implementable. So we will divide into the next ceiling value, so which is 1. So this is the individual elements. So 39 and 9. Again same process we will apply to divide the single element in each array. So these are the single elements. After that we will apply the conquer technique, means merge the elements to be the sorted array. So here we will compare 39 and 9, which is 9 is less than 39. So we will arrange the subarrays into the sorted order. So which is 9 and 39. Again 45 is less than 81. So 45 and 81. 27 is less than 90. So 27 is 90. 72 is greater than 18. So 18 and 72. Again we will merge the two subarrays into the single array. So here 9 is less than 39, 45 and 81. 39 is less than 45 and 81. Again 45 is less than 81 and last one is the 81. Again we will merge the two subarrays. Here we can see 18 is less than 27, 90 and 72. So यहाँ पर first element होगा 18. Again 27 is less than 72 and 90, and 72 is less than 90, and last one is the 90. Again we will merge the two subarrays into the single array. So we will compare into the both arrays, which is less than. Here 9 is less than to all other elements, and next one is 18, which is less than all other elements: 27, 39, 45, 72, 81 and 90. So merge the two sub-arrays into the single array according to sorted order. So we will get this final sorted order in ascending order. Here we can see the time complexity of merge sort. So best case time complexity is order of n log n, average case time complexity is again n log n, and worst case complexity is n log n. So यहाँ पर तीनों केसेस में हमें ऑर्डर ऑफ n log n टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी यहाँ पर मर्ज सॉर्ट की मिलेगी. So I hope you guys understand the concept of merge sort. Thank you so much.